Amazon sent out an email to people saying, hey, about that PS5 pre-order, we might not be able to get you that PlayStation 5 on launch day. And so this, again, has to do with Sony and these companies not necessarily knowing, the retailers knowing what their volume is really going to be, what's actually going to ship to them, and what they can ensure to their customers. So the email that came out from Amazon was this. Let me just bring it up. We're contacting you about your order of a PlayStation 5 to let you know in advance that you may not receive this item on the day it is released due to high demand. We'll make every effort to get the item to you as soon as possible once released. You can track your shipment, blah, blah, blah. Apologies. See you soon. Sincerely, Amazon customer service. Now, as you know, Will, a big part of buying one of these things at launch is getting it at launch. A big part of it is being a part of the whole hype. And when you get your pre-order in and it says it's going to ship on launch day, that's kind of a big deal to you. So to receive an email after that says, oh, yeah, you're probably not going to get it on launch is a bit, well, that's not what you're looking for. And it looks bad on Amazon. However, it appears it's not necessarily Amazon's fault, seeing as though Sony doesn't really know what they're going to be able to deliver to the retailer in the first place. However, if you look at the tweet from the last story, Sony seems to imply they're going to figure it out, or that things look promising. They say, we apologize, we're going to get more systems before the end of the year. So Amazon may still be able to meet that criteria. They're just hedging in order so that customers at least have the idea in their mind that it's a possibility that they don't get it. Walmart also had to cancel some orders after realizing the supply they had wasn't as great as the demand. So what does this all mean? Is the demand that much higher, or were people unprepared? Which one is it? I think the demand is higher than expected. As much as we knew gaming was having a resurgence, it appears to me, I mean, these are the biggest retail players in the world. And Sony's a big company. You know, you would presume that if the volume was whatever they had hoped to sell in the first year, I think they sold, or in the first couple weeks, it was like 2 million of the previous model PS4, and they knew they were going to do more than that. So are we talking about, how many pre-orders are we talking about? And what is the actual interest? It appears to me to be very high. And now, of course, I'm contributing to the interest and the demand, because I'm saying, oh, you can't get it. It might be hard to get one. Now people are trying even hard. You see what's going on here?
Exposure.
And I think it's part of it just seems to be part of the thing with new console launches, that they have to in some way be scarce. And once they're scarce, people want them that much more. Like as soon as people started telling me, oh, you missed the pre-order, you're dead. I was like, oh God, I need one.
There's a sense of urgency there.
Bizarre psychology with it, but I'm not suggesting that this is manufactured or fabricated. I think it is truly hard to map the demand without knowing. You're just, okay, let's put the pre-orders live. Oh God. It's possible to be surprised. And that might be what took place here.